Hi everyone. So today I'll be showing a project based on web scraping where I'll be comparing the price of a mobile phone on Amazon and Flipkart. So if I just show you the code, so this I built using Streamlit. Then this is my home page. Basically, first I'll show you the my app.py. So yeah. So from here the actual flow starts. So let me just enter a name for say Redmi Note 14, and when I click on submit, so I can see the price comparison for Redmi Note 14 on Amazon and Flipkart as well. So on Amazon I can scrap the data like title, price, rating and the buy URL, and same with the Flipkart, that the title is this, price and what is the current rating. So if I check by clicking on the buy URL, so I can see that this is my title, and I can see that 3.8 out of 5 and 18998 is the actual price right now. So yes, it is correctly fetching the details that 3.8 out of 5 and Amazon price 18998, and here is the buy URL. So same goes with the Flipkart. If I just click on the link, so I can see that this is the title, Redmi Note 14 5G. So yes, it is correctly fetching all the details, Redmi Note 14 5G and 8 GB RAM. Yeah, 8 GB RAM, and current price is 17,998 and rating is 4.2. So let me just yes, 17,998 and rating is 4.2. So this is basically a price comparison for a single mobile. I'll be doing this for multiple mobiles, and suppose I enter any other phone, say iPhone 13. So for that, as of now, like I have only fetched the details for Redmi Note 14. So I just basically put a check that sorry, as of now I can display the data for this. So if I just show you my console, so okay, okay, it ran multiple times. So from here you can see that, yeah, from here the status code is 200. It means the request is successfully hit on the Amazon server, and the name is also fetched successfully, and the price and the rating. And I like extracted one of the review, so I can extract many reviews. So this was the first review on Amazon. Then I printed the details, same for Flipkart. Flipkart status code means again 200 means successfully I have hit that request. Same goes with the rating and price. So this was my console, and if I show you just the flow, so this was my app.py. From here I just use the session state. If my page is not present, so keep my page as home page. So if I go to my home page, means this one, this UI. So here I just displayed the title as mobile price comparison, which is this one, and this is just a logo of phone, and like a text box for text input basically for entering a mobile name. And then when I click on the submit button, so it will be checked. Uh, so it will check that if my mobile name is present, like if I um, type anything, so it will check that it consists a value or not. Then it will redirect to your result page. So when I come here, let me note 14, So when this is my basically result page, then I can see the Amazon details as well as Flipkart details. So basically I called a function for Amazon, get Amazon details, and mobile name from here it is capturing from here. Okay, then again if I not 14, then as I told, this is my result page. So here I will just call a method Amazon details, which is in my this pie scraper or backend code. So in this file I basically created a function. Then here I am displaying the Amazon title, price and rating, and the buy URL. And if the mobile name is say anything else, like I gave the input as iPhone, so it will return this statement. Same goes with the Flipkart. And yeah, this is my backend code. That this is my Redmi Note 14 URL, the Amazon URL. Then I just put up the headers. Then I just created a HTTP request to get the data. So this is I in a request like I have to put on two parameters. One is the URL and one my headers. And headers you can basically see from your browser, like what is my user agent, by typing that in your browser. So you will get your user agent. And after that, simply I just use the HTML parsers. I also can use LXML. So for first of all I just capture the title, basically the product name, and then the price, and then the rating. So here you can see that these all are the present in the span tag, where attribute I just passed the ID, where the ID name is product title. If I just show you once here, so by just inspecting here, if I show you the title, so this is the tag, this one. So yeah, so this is the tag span ID. This is the span tag where the ID is product title. So this was my tag span, and where ID is product title. So I just like use the get text in order to get the text, else I would get the tags as well. And I used the strip function basically to remove the white spaces. Okay, so same goes with the Amazon price. If I just show you the price, this one, so you can see that it is present in a tag called span, where class is a price whole. For the price, you can see it is a tag as span, where I use a price. Then for the rating as well, for my rating, yeah, this one. Okay, this one. So same goes with the Flipkart details. And basically this was for the review, like function for getting the Amazon reviews, where I can just extract all the like these product, these, like I can extract the product name, then the title and rating, and what is the review, So same goes with the Flipkart details. This is the URL, and again for checking the status code I use this statement, and for getting the Flipkart title, price and rating. So this was my code. Thank you.